Workbook. I'm ready to try you now. I can help you. Okay, that's totally okay.
Hello everybody, these are pages 62 and 63 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And for these pages we have phonics on this side, and then on this side we have a story. We're going to work with the qua, qua, and twa, twa sounds. And in the student book they were shown to us like this.
Q-U, qu, quilt, question, queen. T-W, tw, twins, 12, 20.
Okay, let's start. It just says match here. So we match from the word to the sound and over to the picture. Number 1 is a quilt, quilt. So that goes to qua, and a quilt is like a blanket, a homemade blanket, and there's a quilt. Number 2 is twin, so it has a twa sound. So twa, down to twa, and twin means two people born at the same time. These two are twins. Next is question, qua, 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 Q-U, and here is a question mark, so that's for question. Number 4 is twa, enti, 20. So let's draw to the twa sound, and then the number 20 is here. And the next one is 12, 12. So again, we'll go to the twa side, and the number 12 is here. Okay, and the last one is queen, queen. So we'll draw up to the qua, and this is a queen. And just like that, part A is done. Let's go straight into part B. Part B says unscramble and write. So we have all of the words up here, but down here the letters are mixed up. Okay, number 1, I can see a Q-U, so I know this is qua, and there's 2 E's, so this must be qua, qua, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Number 2, I can see a T-W, so it's a twa word, and then there's V-L-V, so 12. There we go. Twa, 12. The next one, I can see a Q-U again, so it's a qua word. So would this one be quilt or question? I think quilt, because it's shorter. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Number 4, there is a T-W, so this is a twa word, and there's a Y on the end, so 20. This is definitely 20, not twin. It's too long for twin. 20. Okay, and number 5, there's a TW and IN, so this is twin. Twa, in, twin. Number 6, there's a QU here, and the last QU word is question, so I will write question. Qua, que, quest, question. T-I-O-N always says shun. And part B is done, so let's go to the reading section. And the reading section just says read, and this text is called The Surprise Party. And it's about a boy named Peter who has a party. Okay, let's read it. Excuse me. Hi, I'm Peter from South Africa. My friend Quinn is going to move soon. That means that Quinn is going to go to a different city or a different country to live. He's going to come to my house on Saturday. We're going to have a party for him. He's going to be surprised. So right now Peter's talking, it's before Saturday, so this is Friday. Peter's talking about it. And now it changes to Saturday, and Peter's still talking. Today is Saturday. Shh! Here comes Quinn. Everyone jumps up. Surprise! We say. Okay, so this is Quinn, and everybody has come and jumped out and said surprise. So it's a surprise party. And look what they've written over here too. Good luck! Because they want him to have fun at his next place of living. Quinn opens the box and picks up a quilt. Wow, a photo quilt, he says. There are 20 squares for 20 friends. Thanks. And this is the present that was on the table and that Peter's getting ready here. They made a photo quilt. So all of his friends' pictures are on here in a different square on the quilt. That's a great present. All right, let's answer the questions. Number 1 says, when is Quinn going to move? So we're looking for this phrase, going to move. I know going to stuff will be up here because this was about today. This is present tense, and this is talking about the future. So this is future tense. Going to move. There it is. Going to move. Okay. My friend Quinn is going to move soon. Okay, so there's our answer. Soon means in the future, a little bit in the future. So we can change Quinn into he, because I know Quinn is a boy. And we'll say he's going to move. He's going to move soon. Done. Number 2. When is Quinn's party? Okay, so we're looking for a party here, and we're trying to find a time. He's going to come to my house on Saturday. We're going to have a party for him. Okay, so we know that the party right here is on Saturday. So a party, is it a man, he, a woman, she, or is it a thing, it? It's it. So we'll say it is, so it's, and then this is a day. So we'll say on Saturday. When is the party? It's on Saturday. Last one. What do Quinn's friends give him? So we're gonna look for give, and also Quinn's friends. Okay, this is before, so I wanna look at these ones. Here it comes, here's a surprise. Opens the box and picks up a quilt. Wow, a photo quilt. Okay, it doesn't actually say give anywhere here. So we're gonna look for it in the pictures too. And I think it's this. This is what his friends made for him. All right, and this is a photo quilt. Okay, so we use the words here to help us. Quinn's friends. What do Quinn's friends give him? Should Quinn's friends, big clue here, should it be he, she, it, or they? One man, one woman, one thing, or more than one? They, because we have an S. So they, then use the question, give him. They give him. Okay, and we're looking for a thing, a what? They give him a photo quilt. They give him a photo quilt. We are done. Great job, everybody.